Hi, do you want to reduce CPC? Then cost average cost per click. Then you have to follow three important things. One, write relevance ad copy. Secondly, write about client pain point in the uh, in that copy. Thirdly, your website should have good experience. I mean, your website should have fast speed. If you have fast speed, then I personally believe you will get maximum lowest CPC in Google Ad. So if you want to monitor your ad account, you can contact me. I will help you because I am working as a Google Ad specialist and also consultant. So if you have any questions, let me ask. Thank you so much. If you, how you can contact me? Yeah, my contact information in the link below or YouTube description you will find. Thank you so much.